Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having a little bit of problem. We finally figured out what he was doing wrong or wasn't doing in the right order. So we're going to take a 2-point line and hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make it 24 inches. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and make the next one 18. That one is selected, so now I can rotate it 7.5 degrees. Now, I could have done all the way around and done the short ones at a different time than the long ones. But if we Control G, Control D, and duplicate, now we can rotate them 15 degrees, and we're killing two birds with one stone. Now we need to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup All. Because here's what we need to do next. We're going to make them a little thicker, and this is probably where his problem is. Or that, I know this is where his problem is. There's 24 objects. We're going to go to Object and convert them to an outline. That's kind of the key. Now we can make them this yellow. Now we do need to group them together to do the next step, is to take the center out. So I'm going to hit P, put that in the center of the page, and I'm going to back minus front. And it took the center out. Now you can use the interactive fill tool and use elliptical. Well, that's one of the problems he's having. So let's tell you what, let's back up here. Even though we group these together, let's weld them together. Then let's take away so it's really making one object. Now we'll take back minus front away and try the interactive fill tool again. There we go. Now put it in the middle, go elliptical, put it in the middle, and then put that burnt orange in the center. Now, I missed it. So if it's not doing too much to it, then you could always add, and this would be a really good one it's hard to see, and this is one of the reasons I started doing a black box trick type deal, so you could really see it back a page. And that looks pretty good, but you can really dial it in if you grab that and go interactive fill tool again, and you could add more burnt orange wherever you want it. You could add more yellow, closer out, and really distinguish it. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.